Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this dramatic thud on a part of video in CapCut Mobile. So I'm going to show you how you can create this dramatic thud effect. First, just add your video. You can add a podcast video like this or anything that you want. And then split to where you want to have the thud effects. After you add your video, okay, I'm going to split in here. Okay, after you split, on the second clip, go to adjust, then lower the saturations of the clip to -50. Click on a check icon. Now still on the second clip, find the speed option, this one. Then lower the speed of the clip into 0.4 and click on smooth slow-mo and choose the better quality. Click on a check icon. Wait for the smooth slow motions to apply. Okay, so after the smooth slow motion has been applied, add a keyframe at the start of the second clip and also the end. On this second keyframe here, zoom in the clip to have that dramatic effect like this. And here, click on the transition box in between the clip, select the overlay category and select the superimpose transition, this one. Set it for 0.3 seconds. Click on a check icon, and here you can find the sound effect to make it more dramatic. Click on add audio, sound effects, and here I'm going to find dramatic sound, this one. Now I'm going to add this dramatic horns. So adjust the sound to match with the transition, and that's it. So that's the dramatic thud effect. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye!